How to use camera tool in Excel. Click on File, More and Options, Customize ribbon, and here select all commands. Scroll down and find out the camera. Select it, New tab or New group, and add it. Then click on OK. So now in the new tab you have this camera tool. You need some data to use the camera, like we need an image and picture for this data. So select it and just click on camera. Now your cursor will change into plus icon. Now you can left click, so you have that picture for your data. So this way you can use this camera. Once you right click on it, you can save picture in your PC or laptop. Open it. If you have some color problem, so edit picture and make proper it, so it will appear properly. Or try again. Now use camera and paste anyway. Now save picture. So we can see now we have the data in the picture format. So thanks for watching.